Hi beautiful people, hope you guys are doing well today. So I saw this hack on Instagram where they apply their eyeliners using their fingers. And I wanted to try it out, and I was like, why not record it and share it with you to see if the hack works or not. So, for the hack, I'm using one of my favorite eye pencils. This is by Urban Decay. It's the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. It's a baby pencil now. I've used it a lot. I think this is my third one if I'm not mistaken. I just love it. So you just apply it on your finger, I think, like this. I don't know if this is too thick. I think I did it too thick. Let me do it in here. So it's just like a line. Okay, and then you just do like that. You just go like that. Let's see if it works. So I think you just do that. Oh. I think it gave me it's like a tint. It's not, here's the other one. I think it kind of does work though. Here, let me show it up close. See, it's like this. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. You see it? It's not very dark, but I think you can still see it. It gives you that very natural effect, very natural liner. We're gonna try it one more time. Oops. I think I ruined it. I cleaned this part with concealer, and you can see up close how it looks. I think that using a thin brush, I need to smooth this. Okay. So I actually went ahead and shortened my wing a little bit with using my concealer because I thought it was too long. This is how it looks. It's not as black. If you want super black, it's not gonna give you a very black, because my eye pencil, this one, it's very black. It's very intense. The color is very intense, but it's not giving me that sharp black look. but it gives you a very natural look. I really like it, and I give this hack a thumbs up for people who are going for a natural look. And yeah, that's about it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this hack and you think I did something wrong. Maybe that's why it's not as black, and I would definitely give it another try. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed the video and you have a wonderful day. Bye!